Oh no! This better come off. Where have I even cut it? Yeah. Oh. Back again, and it's just one thing after another. As you've just seen, well, as you've seen on the last video, exhaust got massive hole in. New exhaust. So I'm going to smash this one off, and hopefully when I've took it off that one I'll actually go on and it fits right. So I need to get this car jacked up and on axle stands. As you can see, my jack's not very big, is it? It's not very good access anywhere. How does it go on now? Don't know how well this is gonna come off. That was well strong. That ain't gonna come apart. I know that for sure. Could do with a pit. Got one, but it's not dug out. Who'd have thought getting the exhaust off was just struggling with rubbers. Right, time lapse. As you can see guys, this was an absolute nightmare. I just underestimated how hard it was to get an exhaust off. I thought undo the brackets and just twist it and it'll come off, but obviously the heat, the rust, the weather, everything has just got to it. So in the end we chose the grinder. I've been messing about with that now for about half an hour and it's driving me mad. So I'm going round Scott's, I'm going to get the grinder. It's getting chopped off. Probably should have just chopped it off to start with, but I thought it'd be a lot easier to come off than it actually was, but it's quite difficult. I think it's all the heat. Well, I know it is, it's all the heat, the rust, the fibres are fused. Now we mean business. The grinder. We're not messing about now. I underestimated it. I've took an exhaust off before. I think it was actually on this car, but it was the middle section where that flexi bit is. But it come off a lot easier. Look at her. Don't know about this guy. Don't know what he's doing here. Oh well. That's just there for just in case. The front axle stand and the jack is holding it up. Right. I need a battery. Fresh battery. Let's go. So he's cut it in the middle. Ugh. We'll just wham it in the middle and then we'll twist it.
Come around to clean.
Why?
Well, obviously you know why.
Why is it clean?
Because I've just been in the bathroom and everything's all moved around and it's been cleaned.
I cleaned it.
No, you never.
Hey? this job is going to end up being a big job. I can see it. Ah. Ow. Right. It's not going anywhere now, is it? That is solid as a rock, man. Oh. Don't want to do this. That is literally no movement. This is a job for a ramp. Get it above you in the air and get underneath and cut stuff and do stuff properly. It's not a job for me pissing about. That's for sure. That's all it. Is it through? Now get off. Yes. It's gotta be. Beauty that is. First bit done. I just need to get the back box off. That stupid bloody bung. It's gonna be a bit dodgy, that is. 1 foot in the air. Oh, yeah, bugger. Snaggage. Oh, no. This better come off. Guys. No way. It's wrecked. Sorry, Scott. Sorry about that, buddy. Whoever even cut it. Yeah. Oh. I just smashed my finger against the ground. Oh, you're joking. Oh no, it's right. Is it? That box. I was just looking at that thinking, that's not the same. It's got two lugs on it. That's got one because I cut it off. Oh, Donna. It's got a big dent in it, that has. Meow! Got a big dent in it, that has, Java.
What's that, Marmite?
That box.
What, the new one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Look at that cutting disc.
Oh.
Oh, £1, buddy. I need £1, Jeremy. I need to get that on there. That bung on there.
Yeah.
Reckon you can squeeze that on? Push it over.
Look. Slipped. Slipped in.
Right.
Did you cut the front piece off?
Yeah. I had to. I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it off. Otherwise, it was a pain in the arse. I'll show you what the issue was really. I just put that slit down it there to get it off. I tried to get a screwdriver and keep bending it out, but it was blowing from here.
Where? Can you show me?
Just about there. Oh, that's just a mesh anyway. That's not actually a what's it, but the holes. But definitely. Oh, there, look.
That's a bit in a hole.
Yeah. Just a little on there. So yeah. So I'm my best doing here now.
Call a mechanic.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh God, I keep smashing my hips up on this bloody. Got this PC. I need this bung off here.
I hope you're not actually thinking that you're gonna get anything out of this nozzle, Marty, because it's absolutely.
Yeah, I'll put a new nozzle on it.
Have you got new nozzles?
There'll be one up somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
When was the last time you did anything with an exhaust?
Why is it rock hard? Let's have a look at it. Is it soft there? That'll do then, won't it?
Where are you doing nozzle?
I don't need a nozzle. I'll just take it from there. I'll take this nozzle off.
So yeah. That fat guy was like, oh, I love a bit of drama. He says, you're Dean's brother, aren't you? I went, yeah. He went, he wouldn't have dared say that to Dean.
Why is that like?
You must have had a spat with him before, have you?
I don't know. I've had a spat with many people.
What do you think about your Sainsbury's voucher anyway, Chorva?
Oh, can't talk about that.
I thought not.
Did that on purpose, did you? It's actually very good and very thoughtful of the
Do
company.
you know what I'm going to do? With mine,
What?
I'm going to buy my wife some flowers.
I can buy myself flowers.
You're not getting nowhere fast with that, are you? That's going to do absolutely nothing.
Why? I've put it round the inside and I've got a clamp for it as well. Got a new clamp go around it as well. Mate.
That's like saying, what benefit in shoes in the jungle?
Right, I'm fucking putting that on. I'm definitely putting that on. I'm going to tag you in it as well. You can't be slating my channel like that, man.
I'm joking. I know you've got edit. I'm just making the editing process better for you.
Yeah. Can't wait for that. I haven't got enough to in my time. Fucking deal with your shit.
And yeah, don't fuck it. I don't want you to come round.
That is a proper neat job though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, Iris. Come put some round here or up top. You'll find where it is. It's got a bit of hair on it. See it up top there. That'll fall out in seconds, that will.
Mate, if you went to a exhaust place, they wouldn't do a better job than that. Do you know what? I haven't even checked that it's lined up properly. I'm just sealing it. I haven't even twisted it into place yet. What a rank amateur.
Well, I wouldn't expect anything less.
Hey.
What's that jack doing there? That axle stand here? This one here?
Nothing. Look.
Just in case it drops.
Yeah.
Car don't weigh much anyway, does it?
Nah, pick it up. Bench press it. Put plenty in there. It's got to sound better than it did anyway, hasn't it?
Yeah, it'll only blow a little bit. Isn't it?
Yeah. I expect it to blow.
Yeah.
Of course
It'll blow if you only put that much on it.
If I expect it to blow and it doesn't, then bonus. If it doesn't blow, then
Has anyone ever told you how good you are?
only you.
It's what you need, isn't it? So,
Yeah, Selena just come out and she went, "Have you had your mum cleaning in this house?" I went, maybe.
isn't it good enough?
I said, "Why? She's done a shit job." She went,
I thought the fairy godmother had been in.
She went, "No, but she's just wondered why all my bathroom's been moved around." Oh, mate, see the squeeze? There it is.
That's it, isn't it?
You got that there? Well, I'll put this bung on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
Got it.
I'll clamp that up and then I'll seal it.
I was going to say, yeah. You put it to its final place, don't you? Where's the other clamp? Oh, you're putting the clamp round there?
Round there. And round the front bit.
Yeah.
Yesterday moving grids. Today doing exhausts. The day before doing shockers. Tell you what. There's no rest, is there?
Nope.
You know when you rest, don't you?
When you die.
When you're dead. You rest when you're dead, buddy. Squash.
That's fine.
What do you reckon? Bodge or very good job? Very good. Saved myself
Another fucking mechanic could have had that one for.
well, guess what? Mechanic would have charged me as well, so I'm all for doing myself. You know what I'm saying? Let's cut to the best bits. Look at my camera. It's blitzed, innit?
Your neighbours must think to themselves when they look out.
These pair are a right pair of knobs. Proper pair of bodgers.
Yeah, but look how much money this is. I tell you what, that's a real tidy job, to be fair. Isn't it? Not wrong, innit?
You're not joking, are you?
No. I think it's a tidy job.
I mean, I not even paid for it, yeah. Got delivered. Never even asked for it to get delivered. Guy rang me today, said, "Have you ordered an exhaust?" I went, "Yeah, but I'm picking it up later." He went, "It's been delivered." I went, "Well, I never asked for it to be delivered."
Well, you pay for it.
I'm not paying for it. It's on his account.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Sorry, guy. No can do. No likey. No likey. I think I've got some sort of suspension issue as well on the front.
I'd say that you're probably right. Look at the top of that coil.
What? Don't tell me.
Well, half of it's missing.
Are you joking? Are you actually kidding?
It's perished for sure.
Some would say, when it comes to car mechanics, I'm a cowboy.
I'd say that was probably accurate, but you know when you go to fix your car and you put the dash on and you end up with more faults than you actually started with. It's not really promising, is it?
No. Time is it anyway?
6:15.
Is it? It's taken me about an hour and a half. An hour and a half of my free labour, not paid labour. I'm going to start it up in a minute and listen to a roar. Moment of truth. Weird how loud it was on the last video. Ready? Revving. Shall we just turn it off? Do you know what that is? It's not the back. It's from the front somewhere, innit? It's from the actual manifold. I don't know.
Go on, read it and I'll tell you then.
Where's that little revver button? Where's the little revver switch that you have inside the engine? Go on, find it. There's a little, I'm sure, what do you call it? Throttle cable. I'll find it in a minute. It's the belt. Sounds like, what's that sound like, guys? Timing belt needs doing. That comes from in this case in here. That's where the timing belt is, I believe.
You know what you do that?
What?
Get a bar of soap.
Bar of soap?
Rub a bar of soap over the top of it.
On that belt there?
On that belt and
No,
that'll
it's
stop.
not coming from that belt.
Any belt.
It's coming from in here. Is it? That's the timing belt.
Ah.
I guarantee I pull this oil out now and there's nothing on it. It's full. There it is. It's quite nice. Exactly. Anyway guys, if you like the video, another little project, don't forget to subscribe.
See you later.